Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 15, changing display density. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications, scroll to explore all the applications. Now let's click on Microsoft People. Now let's wait for that to load. And for us to change the display density on screen, how would we do that? Let's navigate to the top right corner of the screen, click on this cog wheel for the settings, and now at the moment the display density is roomy. We can change it to cozy, and there we go. We have seen the change, or we can change to compact. So that makes another change take place on screen. So roomy, cozy, compact. Let's just leave it the way it is. Roomy looks better than ever, so we can now close out of settings, quit Google Chrome, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.